An entire generation is growing up unable to make a simple home repair, change a tire, or use basic hand tools. They can navigate the complex digital world, but they have problems integrating into the physical worlds. At Revs, we're offering programs that will teach you the hands-on skills necessary for the challenges of the future. So what's the solution? At Revs, we've created Revs Ed, a hands-on automotive education that's really about something much bigger. This isn't a traditional vocational school. It's an experiential education in a world-class automotive museum. Students learn by doing, surrounded by some of the most significant cars in history. What makes us different? No multiple-year commitment. Whether you're a teenager exploring career paths, a homeschool family looking for STEAM-based curriculum, or an adult fulfilling a lifelong dream, you can experience this without the commitment of a year-long technical school. It's career exploration. It's a way to test the waters in hands-on vocations you may have never considered.
Make us go faster or go slow. Constant speed, we don't feel. The earth is continuous.
From day one, students aren't just watching, they're working on real engines, real systems, real problems. They're learning history, engineering, and problem solving all at once, targeting a path to unknown professions.
Now, we're going to talk about what does a valve look like when it's closed? It's all the way out like this.
This isn't just about cars. It's about rebuilding essential human capabilities and fulfilling Rev's mission. Why does it matter? Because Revs Education is part of something bigger, to be the most useful resource for understanding automotive history and its impact on society, with education at the heart of our mission. Today, Revs is working to reintroduce useful dexterity training and manual coordination skills back into education. We are developing a mindset required for interacting with the material world, the decision-making skills, the diagnostic thinking, and the ability to look at a problem and figure out how to solve it. Revs Education focuses on critical thinking and builds confidence through tangible accomplishments. It opens doors to high-paying careers with real job security. It also restores the ability to interact with, understand, and repair the material world. We're filling the gap that's been growing for decades, and we're proving that hands-on education isn't just valuable, it's essential.
Here we go.
This is how Revs becomes the most useful resource, not just for understanding automotive history, but for shaping the future. Revs Education is the ultimate hands-on learning experience. Click the link below to register.